What is good, people? Alright, so today we are going to be doing some rolling of guards, because every time I go up on an angle, either into my front yard, mate's house, doesn't matter, like any sort of fucking curb or anything, it likes to rub. It's only on the outside edge, but like there's not much room, as you can see. Like I can't even fully put my finger in there. She's very tight, but it's mainly the other side actually. That side's actually not bad. It's this side that is like, I can't even, like, yeah, you can see like how the rubber on the tire, I don't know if you'll be able to see actually from the camera. Yeah, you can in this angle along that seam there. It keeps rubbing, so I'm gonna have to roll the guards. I'm kind of worried about this side though, because you guys didn't see it when I painted the car, but this here was all bent in, so I had to do all the bogging and stuff for that, and try and get that somewhat shape back into the car, because that was munted. So when I go to roll this guard here, hoping that when I push that in, it doesn't pop the bog that I put in there out. There wasn't a lot of bog, but there's still enough there, which I'm not fully happy with, like the whole paint job on the car. I want to do it again at some stage, but for now, like, it's good enough for what I have, and I'm happy with that. But just gotta roll these guards so they don't rub, because it's kind of triggering, and I don't want to be damaging the rest of my body. Like, I've already had to do body work on this car, but yeah, so let's get into it.
Just gonna take your spikes off, right?
First things first, take little spiky boys off. These little fuckers. Ah, little riders. We'll do the same for the other side. Get that thing prepped. Oh, by the way, we've also got this fella with us today.
How are we?
What's going on, Alrighty. Let's get this side done as well. Oh. If anyone doesn't like my my spikes, guess what? I don't care, you can go and get fucked. But honestly, like, people need to understand, like, your car is your build, and you can do whatever you want because it's your car. Don't look at other people's judgments and ideas for your build, and just do what you want to do. At the end of the day, you're gonna have lovers and haters, and that's all I can say. Like, you're gonna have a mixed opinion about everything. Everything's gonna be 50-50. At the end of the day, it's your car. Do what you want. Isn't that right, huh?
That's right.
Yeah. Look at him go. He's gonna use the Yaga dogs. It's not cross-threaded, I promise.
You sure about that?
Yep. Alrighty, so now that we have wheels off, they're all for there. We are going to be putting on this thing here. Alrighty. Is that right?
That's right.
Just come around here and just fucking start doing shit.
Come around here and just do your job, you know?
Oh! It's no longer Orkine's channel, is it?
It's Bad Influence Media's channel.
Oh! Here we go. Look at the sound of this.
Follow my YouTube.
Yeah, what channel's that, man?
Bad Influence Media.
Oh, you got one now?
It's on the upcoming.
Oh, it's on the upcoming.
Coming.
Alrighty then. Well, you people know what to do. His content might be slightly different to mine, but no doubt it'd be pretty similar at the same time. It'd probably be more based on like when we go like car events, car video shoots and stuff like that. He does post a lot of photo shoots on his Instagram, so make sure you go check him out. His link will be in the description down below. But yeah, so alrighty, so what you want to do, grab this heffalump thing. I don't know at the moment. Feel like, hold a second. Just gonna put you down facing upside down for a second. I'm gonna wheel this out, I think. Yeah, I do. Because that's gonna have to fold it in the inside. Is it gonna fit? Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. So we had some issues at the start. It wasn't fitting because coilovers. So we've had to unbolt down the bottom there, and because we started moving, we had to put bricks underneath. So we started pressure, and yeah. But we've both been working on it, and it's finally starting to work now. But yeah, it's been a pain so far. It was not the funnest. Fucking emotionals. Pull that down, wind that out at the same time. Wait, wrong way. Yeah, sick. Oh, that whole quarter. I can already see it starting to crack along there. Oh, it's gonna be fucking emotional. Yes, sick. Take up, Mr. Bog. I've already gotten it to move from like that angle to like, you know, what you'd say it's a good like 10 degrees. So next week on Orkine, repainting Civic. Just a reminder, roll your guards before you paint your car. Sick.
It's a smart idea.
I wish Stephen Hawking was there to tell me that one. Little fluffy boy, little pint, Little pint, what you will? What the wheel? Wheel. 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 Ooh. Yeah, we're probably at that stage where we need to put bricks underneath it. Alright, after all that emotional times, we fucked up one side. Well, not fucked up, but you know, I fucked up when I first started. That's why he ended up taking over for a bit, because I was a little bit pissed off. But you can see I've taken a little bit of paint off of here, because we had to make the adjustments with undoing the coilover and stuff. Like, it's just a bit of a pain in the ass, but you know, got it done though, and it's all rolled at least. But just means I'm gonna have to touch all this up with some extra paint at some stage. Might do it when I do the body kit. But we're gonna drop the car and see how it fits now. But yeah, did you want to hold camera for that one? Alrighty then. Is this like, there we go. I'll push him back in the car.
Plenty of room.
Plenty of room?
Plenty of room.
Oh, mate, we can fucking drop him further. Oh. Looks like you're going on your whole little Civic. Alright, and then the other side was the other main one. You guys remember I could only just get my fingernail in there. Oh, we can fit a fucking family of 4 in there. Look at them 4 little fingers. Fucking joints deep, son. She loves it. But that's it, guys, for this little video. Yeah, just rolled the guards on the Civics. It wasn't a how-to because I wouldn't trust me with that. But it's pretty much how-to. Just ours is a little bit more dodgy. I had to look out for more shit, alright? But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned.